guys chase So as you know, our police officers are out there 24 hours a day. They're protecting the city and looking for bad guys, stopping crime. And one of the things that we do on a regular basis is we stop cars for traffic violations and for other things. And as a police officer, we never know what we're walking up on when we're stopping somebody. In this case, we have a description of an armed robbery that happened. We know that this guy's a bad guy. So we're going to take a little bit different approach than we would on just a normal traffic stop. So right now, the officer tried to stop that car. The car stopped for a moment and then took off, and the officer is chasing him. I can hear sirens. You guys hear sirens? Okay, here it comes. That's a bad guy right there. Very bad guy. What do you guys think about him? I say boo. Right? So now what's going to happen, the officer is going to tell him to get out of the car. Do you think the bad guy's going to cooperate? No. No? Would you cooperate? So officer, remember that in this part of the van,
Get out of the car, but send the dog. Get out of the car, but send the dog.
So now we have a bad guy in the car who we know has a gun. He's not listening to the police. So we're going to call him our SWAT team. The SWAT, which is SWAT, for Special Weapons and Tactics. That's what we have something that's a little bit beyond our normal capabilities. And you can see them, they're riding in the Bearcat, which is on the car. Hopefully you guys got the chance to see that a little while ago. And we have specialized equipment that our patrol officers don't have. They're set up to deal with people who have barricaded themselves in a house or a car and are armed and have weapons that are all disruptive. In just a minute, you guys I'm going to give you a little preview. We're going to have what's called a flashbang or an LSTD, or light sound diversion device that's going to be thrown. And what that is it sounds like a grenade. It's really loud and it disorients people. I'm going to give you a warning when that happens. I would suggest that when we do that, you guys cover your ears because it is really, really loud. Really loud.
Get back up, Mr. Hands. Get up now, just send the dog.
All right? Cover your ears, everybody.
Bring me my dog. Lord.
Good job, Bono. Good job. So Bono has brought the bad guy back to Officer Murmur, and if you notice, our SWAT team members are going forward to check to make sure there's nobody else in the